This is where I used to be, where I got stuck at.
Okay, so how did I get into this situation? Allow me to tell you. This trail defeated me some time ago, and I am back to conquer it. Let's go.
I mean, man, I'm not having the best days today. Look at this shit. I forgot the mounting hardware for my camera as well. So that's really good, because my camera might not even be stable. And then now, my license plate just fucking broke off. So that's fantastic. And I think I should have adjusted the suspension actually, before coming off-road. I'm going solo today. Last time I was here I was with my dad. That was an epic video actually. One of my favorite videos. I have some unfinished business here. That's why I'm here today. Unfinished business. But I really should have adjusted the suspension. It's fucking deadly. I have it basically on the softest setting at the front. And really, really hard setting at the back. I made it like that so it's potentially easier to wheelie. But it's not the most comfortable setting, especially coming off-road. Fuck! Anyways, I do apologize for the somewhat depressing intro. It pissed me off so much that the mounting screw I have for my Insta360, I left at home. And that's 150 kilometers away. So I can't just, go back for that and pick it up. I mean, it's Saturday today, you know what I mean? I left my camera bag at home because I was like, I don't need that, I have my camera. But then I left the screw in the bag, so that's very fun. But I found another screw, but I feel like it's not going to be perfect but yeah, that screw I found, I just don't think it's going to really hold the camera in one place. So I hope the footage will be usable. See, coming by myself here without my dad, actually really spooky. If you're ever going off-roading, like, not everybody has, friends or whatever, or people they ride with, but I can highly recommend, getting someone to ride with you if you're going off-road. Like, it's just so much safer. Oh yeah, brakes are pretty good. Just testing. But yeah, yesterday, I think it was yesterday, or 2 days ago, or actually, fuck, I don't know, it was sometime last week, but by the time the video comes out, you'll be like, what do you mean last week? Because, yeah, I'm so behind on editing videos. They come out like a month and a half after I record them. Ah, fuck, I hate this shit. See, with my dad, this wasn't spooky. But it wasn't as spooky. By myself, this shit is fucking scary. Fuck! Oh my god! Come on! Come on, the fuck! I'm moist! Feet fully soaked. But that's okay. I just had to power through that shit. Because, oh my god, the reflection. I knew it was deep because I just remember. But it hasn't been raining for a while. And the reflection made it seem like it was actually kind of shallow. Fuck no. I hope the footage will show, but oh my god, that was deep. Come on, the fuck. Oh my god, I'm like, my feet are just so soaked. But that's okay. I did it. Fuck. Yeah. See, I have to be my own suspension. Because I didn't set it up for the ride. Honestly, if you know where you're going, just set up the fucking suspension for the terrain you're going to conquer. Just do it, man. I'm like floating with my ass on the bike. You know what I mean? I have to be my own suspension. She's okay, but not ideal. I actually have my tires deflated to 12 psi today because I do not want to get stuck. You know what, I'm gonna try this. This side. I don't want to shift up to third because I don't know, man, that kind of speed is just scary. I don't want to be fucking scared, man. I want to enjoy the ride. Well, I can't go that way, that's somebody's property, so we'll be going this way. That's fine. I just don't even think we came this way last time, so kind of have to be careful. What the fuck is this? Holy fuck. Oh yeah! Woo! Okay. This is where I used to be, where I got stuck at. We just keep fucking going. Just keep going, fuck. Yeah. Okay. Woo! Come on! I'm conquering this shit. Bike, don't stop! Don't stop! Oh! Fuck! 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 My... Oh! Yo! My fucking dick, man! Yo! Oh my god, I hit my fucking cock so hard. Yeah! If only you could see my helmet! I am the mud man! Yo! I fucking did it! This is the shit I got stuck in last time! With shit tires! Come on! Look, I'm not even kidding, this is how deep the fucking mud was! This is it! Svartpilen 401! Oh my god, this fucking bike, man! Look at it! I don't even know if you can see through the fucking lens, man! I can't believe that, I fucking did it! I did it! Fuck! You wouldn't believe how deep that shit was, man! Fuck! I don't know if I had a good angle of that. Honestly, I don't know, but I am encompassed in mud. Like, I am the mud. This is crazy. Oh my god. I cannot believe that. Look at me! You can't see me. Look at the bike, bruv! I cannot believe this. I did it on my own. If I would have stalled there, the bike would be full of fucking water and mud. So not recommend that you do this. I didn't realize it was so deep. Once I was in it, I was like, shit, I have to fucking keep going. You know what I'm saying? I did it! I'm so stupid, man, but I did it. Oh, fuck. My visor is full of mud, I cannot see. I did it. I cannot fucking believe this. This bike is incredible. I can't believe that. You guys don't have a clue how crazy that shit was to me. This is like proper motocross, like fucking dirt biking, man. Look at the bike, man. I don't even see the speed. Fucking 12 psi, TKC 80 Continental at the front, 60% off-road, 40 on. Fucking, what is this? What fucking tire I have at the back? I forgot. The mic is in my mouth actually, like it's kind of moved. But yeah, my hands are a bit moist and shit. In the back I have Mitas Enduro XT Plus Dakar Edition, 80% off-road, 20 on. What more do you fucking need, man? Literally saved my fucking bike in that place. That's fucking ridiculous. Come on! I'm never gonna talk shit about my fucking tires again. Fuck! I did it! I did it! This fucking bike, man! If you want a bike that can do it all, get this fucking bike! You do need to slightly modify it for off-roading purposes. For example, Get a longer chain so you have more space between the fender and the tire. Get better off-roading tires. Raise the front fender. But after that, chilling. Chilling, man. Chilling. Fuck! Come on! My fucking cock, man. It hit me so hard. I came here to do one thing, and that's to fucking conquer that landscape. And I did. I conquered that shit, man. I failed last time. Last year I failed. Here I am. I came back with better equipment, better tires, more off-roading capability. And I did it. Fuck! This bike is a beast, man. A beast, even with somebody's not capable hands. He went through that shit like nothing. Fuck! If I only could have maybe set a tripod down so you could have seen how fucking deeply in mud I was. Because I'm telling you, you cannot comprehend the mud that I went through. Like, it was ridiculously deep. Like, the exhaust was fully encompassed by the mud. If I would have let go of the accelerator, of the gas, honestly, like, I would have been so fucked. I promise you. I'm indicating, not that anybody can see. I bought this bike because I knew I would love to do a bit of off-roading. These days, all I do is fucking off-roading, man. I need to go onto the highway, I need to get through the city to get to my off-roading spots. I commute on the highway, boom, what up? Get to my place, come on, and then I do my off-roading. Here I am. I know it's probably very windy, but I cannot put my visor down. My visor down, because I wouldn't be able to see anything. I am Mod Man. A madman. Come on. Oh, what a wonderful bike this is, man. Come on. Never gonna talk shit about those fucking tires again. I think the mic just fell to my chin. I don't know if you can even fucking hear me anymore. I'm gonna post a picture up on the screen of what I fucking look like. Big up. See you soon.